Make money from Amazon. We all know about Amazon. It is a trustworthy website. It is very much hard to believe that Amazon started their online selling business by selling used books. But now Amazon is the world's largest retailer e-commerce site with worth over $602 billion. We all know that Amazon is the best go-to place for online shopping. But it is just not the end. Amazon produces TV shows, movies and web series through their studio, and anyone can make money from Amazon. Now Amazon also takes the ownership of IMDb, Zappos, Goodreads, and Audible. With the growing structure of the company, it now becomes the big marketplace for the sellers. The company now offers so many varieties of services and products as well. There are so many ways to make money from Amazon. People do not even need a product for that. There are so many varieties of ways to make money from this particular e-commerce site. 1. Register for Amazon Handmade. Amazon also gives chance to the sellers and artisans to sell their handmade products just like Etsy. Amazon helps the artisans to sell their handmade or handcrafted goods online, such as accessories, jewelry and clothing as well. For this, you need to fill up the application form. This asks you to describe your nature of business and services and products as well. Handmade is a benefit and blessing for the aspirant artisans or pro artisans. In this way, they can reach a large platform of Amazon and get more clients. The provided URL link is very helpful and beneficial for the customers. The customers can go to the link of the artisan's profile for a better understanding of their products or services and also find their shop. So, for Amazon Handmade, you need to join the program and list your products. Amazon will not charge you anything. But you need to pay the 15% referral fee on the total sale price of yours. 2. Merch by Amazon. It is an earning opportunity for designers. Amazon gives scope to the newcomers and experienced as well. So, if you are a good designer, then you can earn a good amount of money by selling t-shirts, hoodies and other products through Merch by Amazon. This platform also allows you to sell artwork. You need to create an account through Merch by Amazon webpage. You need to upload your design and set the price as well. After that, you need to select the color and add some description of it. After that, your t-shirt, hoodies and other products go live on Amazon Marketplace. You will get the benefits from this. Amazon will take care of your packing, shipping and printing responsibilities. The company will also pay you the authority or royalty on every design sold by you. 3. Sell products with the help of Amazon FBA. This means fulfilled by Amazon. In this process, you just need to deliver your products to the Amazon warehouse. They will take the charge of shipping your products for you. But some merchants want to ship out their products by themselves, as Amazon takes the hefty fees for that. But if your products sell in a high amount of volume, then it is a smart idea to ship it through the help of Amazon FBA. For this you need to follow these steps. You need to become an Amazon seller. After that, you need to buy wholesale products from Alibaba or other similar platforms. You need to ship your products to the Amazon warehouse. 4. Amazon dropshipping. If you do not want to invest money and make money with a zero investment plan, then Amazon dropshipping is the best option for you. Many people are getting confused with Amazon dropshipping with Amazon FBA. But both are not the same at all. With Amazon FBA, you need to ship a bulk quantity of products to the Amazon warehouse. But in the case of Amazon dropshipping, you do not need to buy any products in bulk quantity. As per the dropshipping policy of Amazon, the information of the seller is mentioned on the products, not the information about the suppliers. 5. Mechanical Turk. It is a big opportunity for part-time workers. In this program by Amazon, you need to work virtually from the home. So, you need the opportunity to work from home. The requester needs to place the job on the Mechanical Turk marketplace where the interested worker can offer its service. The worker needs to do any kind of work such as filling up the survey form or data validation and all. The purpose of this program by Amazon is to complete the task in a faster way and also cut down the work into micro-tasks. You just need to create a worker account and fill up the required details for this. 6. Amazon Flex. This program is for drivers to make money from Amazon. At first, this program was launched as the solution for Amazon's same-day delivery option for the Prime members of Amazon. The drivers do the deliveries in their free and leisure time and can earn up to $18 to $25 per hour. For this, you need to follow these. You must have a smartphone. You must have a legal car. Your age should be minimum 21 years. You can select the hours as per your convenience. 7. Create a private label brand. This is one of the greatest opportunities on the Amazon platform to make money from Amazon. You can add your logo and brand name on the products of selling as you are a private seller. After that, you can list your products on the Amazon marketplace. It is the benefit of a private seller. They can sell their products under their brand name. It can also help them to increase their brand visibility. You should follow some tips to create a private label and brand on Amazon. 8. Earn through the Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish your digital books on this platform through the help of Kindle Direct Publishing. You can get 70% royalties over the sales of the e-books. If you want, you can also print the hard copies of your books through the CreateSpace service of Amazon. It is a smart way to promote your creative work of writing capabilities. This is the smart way to earn money from Amazon Kindle publication. Conclusion. These are the various options through which you can make money from Amazon. If you follow these, you can make money easily from this world's famous e-commerce site. Now, it is very easy to make money from the largest e-commerce site called Amazon, and you have known all the ways to do it successfully. Point is, people have been making money on Amazon for years and it's never too late to jump on. Things like dropshipping are also easy on Amazon since you can buy cheap products from China in bulk amounts and sell them where you are for a much higher price and make your profit. Especially in quarantine where it's easier than ever since a lot of us have lots of time on our hands. And there is absolutely no risk whatsoever. Dropshipping is an e-commerce method during which the vendor takes orders on behalf of a manufacturer, distributor, or supplier. Then, when a customer buys the merchandise, the vendor uses their supplier to meet those sales. Often, dropshippers reposition the sold goods as their own and therefore the end consumer isn't made aware that the products came directly from the manufacturer. This practice is popular on e-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify.